Hello, my name is Shuvam Shrestha. My UK ID is 144375593, and this is the computer network demonstration for the small enterprise network. So here I have the design for the enterprise network. Mm, Here I have created four VLANs. Four VLANs kept in these boxes. I have assigned VLANs through the interface of these MLS switches. So mm, here are the VLANs that I've created. VLAN 5, 10, 15, 20, and VLAN 99. I have assigned VLAN 5 for sales, 10 for finance, 15 for IT, and 20 for the customers. A separate VLAN is created for the managing directory here, which is also connected to the switch here. I have made two switches in the distribution layer. This four VLANs is the access layer, and this two switches come in the distribution layer. So I have created server two server for DSCP, web, email, and DNS, so that if one server fails, another server can act accordingly. So this is my primary link. This is the ISP, which I have kept as a router. The link which was provided to us was connected to the core router of the core layer. So I have also created two routers for the core layer, and I have assigned IP address of class B. The ranges are the ranges of IP are continued by after continued mm, the ranges are of here every IP is being used for /30 range, so we are minimizing the wastage of IP. Let me show you the configuration of these switches. I have kept password for the global configuration mode, which is Cisco. I will show you the running configuration of these switches. I've kept all the port interface in the shutdown conditions, so no user can add into it. So I've used VLAN interface 5, 10, 15, 20 for the VLANs sales, finance, IT, and customer, and I have assigned IP address accordingly. The helper class is from the DSCP, which I will show later on. Similarly with the VLAN 10, 20, 15, I have used router rip as routing protocol. The access list is written. At first permit command is written, and then deny is written. Since the command is explicitly sorry, the ACL command is explicitly deny, so I'm going to ping a router from this sales VLAN to the internet, basically. So I'm going to ping once 42.48.29.1. So this is the serial interface of the So the ping reply is coming, which is 100% successful. I'm going to test some ACL, which I've written in the switches, multi-line switches. According to the question, division manager can access the other server, which is the ERP software server for the finance. So I'm going to ping this sales manager to the ERP software. I'm going to ping ERP software from sales manager. So I'm going to check its IP address, which I've already given in static 172.16.0.70. So I'm going to ping it from here. 172.16.0.70. Sorry, I think it should ping. So it look, reply is coming from the server, which I have to ping from sales manager or sales VLAN. Similarly, I'm going to ping from this computer, which is not a manager. This ping must be unreachable according to the question. So I'm going to ping 172.16.0.70. I think it should be reachable. So yeah, the destination host is unreachable according to the ACL provided in our question. So I will try to ping the opposite way. So I'm going to ping the CRM software of the sales department. So I will check its IP, 172.16.0.15. So the IP address, sorry, 172.16.0.15. I think it will take some time. Quest timer. So look, it's successful. So I'll ping it again. The reply is coming from the CRM software to the finance manager, but this PC cannot ping that service. So the destination host is unreachable to the similarly with the IT manager, we can ping the reply is coming from the IT manager as well. I'll log it from this computer. The host is unreachable, so the ACL accordingly provided by the assignment is fulfilled. I'm going to check the DHCP server, whether the IP is coming from the DHCP or not. And DHCP server, I have created 5 pool of DHCP of class B, providing a class B IP address. So I'm going to check the DHCP of the computers in the finance department. So I'm requesting a IP address, a DHCP service, which has successfully been done. I'm going to add a new computer in this department. Just connecting to this switch does not provide this computer the DHCP packet, since port security has been maintained in the switch. So probably IP power will come here. So yeah, DHCP failed since the port security. Now I have to pass the VLAN from the switch and open the port for this switch. I'm going to again the switch has been secured with a password, which is the Cisco written over here for every VLAN. So I'll go to configuration mode. I've connected this PC to a fast Ethernet 6, so I'm going to enter that interface fast Ethernet 0/6. Now I have to pass the VLAN to this port. So switch port, more access, switch port, access, VLAN 10, switch port, access, more access. So now I have allowed VLAN 10 to this fast Ethernet 0/6 port. So in a while this PC will also get the DHCP service. It will take some time. Similarly with the other VLANs as well. Meanwhile, I will ping a computer to these four printers, which are multi-feature printers connected globally, which can be used by any of these VLANs. So I'm going to ping. I'm going to check the IP. So 2.41. Okay, I'm going to ping it from here. Ping 172.16.2.41. I think it will take a little bit of time. Request time out. So did this thing got its IP? So the previous computer which I connected to the finance VLAN got on successful DHCP IP. So similarly with these the other switches, we have to turn link up and pass the VLAN to get the DHCP IP from the server. Now it is getting the reply since to the latency. I think the PC7 from the IT VLAN is able to ping the global printer. So similarly, I will ping this another printer. Sorry, the another printer 2.45. Yeah, the reply are coming. Similarly, from this VLAN, I'm going to ping one of these printers. Sorry, ping 172.16.2.33. So the replies are coming from the printers. So again to the second printer 37, PC5 37. Yeah, the ping is successful. Yeah. Here I have created the IP scheme according to the requirements of the host in the VLAN. So DHCP The VLAN 20 is the customer VLAN, 15 is for the IT, 10 for the finance, 5 for the sales, and 99 for the managing director. So he is the managing director who has the full control of the network. So I'm going to ping the CRM server and the web ERP server of sales and finance VLAN. So ping 172.16.0.15, which is the IP address of the CRM server. So I'm waiting for the reply. Quest time out. I think it will take a little bit of time. Meanwhile, I will show you the HSIP protocol. This is the primary server for DHCP, email, and web as well as the DNS. So if I close this interface, which is connected to the MLS, which is interface of 0/15, it should get IP address from this secondary server. So I'm going to enter the 15 fast Ethernet. So I'm going to shut it down. As here the red marker is here. So I'm going to ask for a DHCP packet from any of these computers. It should probably get IP address from the secondary, so it's successful, since the DHCP server has been helping to send the DHCP packets from the secondary DHCP server as well as the email, web, and DNS. So here is the another server. I'm going to switch it off and make the server on. So first of all, I'm going to check the ping of the managing director. It's still not happening. I think it will take a little bit of time. Sorry. No shot. I'm going to open it again. This is the interface of this is going to be the password for every devices which is password protected. Which is connected to the secondary DHCP server. So I'm going to shut it down. Now the primary server is going to help us ping. So the computers are getting the DHCP service. These are successful DHCP requests. So I'm going to switch it on. So I'm going to show a web service that I have created in HTTPS. So I'm going to browse browse a website which I've created, nile.com. Sorry, HTTPS. So I'm going to the site, network site. So I've created a website global to all the computers in the network. So this is a website that I've created, nile.com, which is perfectly running. Again, from this computer, I will check it. Nile.com. Server set connection HTTPS. So yeah, this is working as well. It will work from everywhere. So I'm going to ping these interface of the core router. Ping 142.40.29.29.2. Yes, this is ping. So the devices at the access layer are able to surf the internet, and an antivirus software is also added. There's no antivirus software available in this server, so I've just made it able to ping. So let's ping this from any of this PC. Ping 172.16.2.28, which is the IP address of these antivirus software. So I have labeled every connection. So this is the PCs. I'm going to check the redundancy of the network. So I'm going to close one of these links. Cisco config terminal int fa0/1 shut. I have closed one of the links. Now I'm going to ping a printer which is at the distribution layer. So I'm going to ping. I'll check whether it works or not. Ping 172.16.2.41. Now here we can see that the interface is shut down, but the ping is successful since it works from the another interface. So I'm going to ping another printer. So the ping was a little late, reply was a little late, since the connection moves from different paths. So I'm going to switch it on. So this is the basic demonstration of the network project. I hope I have included most of the requirement. So thank you.